becomes went when you are writing the answer. If your answer has some mistake, please correct it by looking at this answer. I will read once again. The king's ministers went to Sadhu's camp. And dear students, don't forget to put a full stop. What did the people offer to the Sadhu? Students, I am ready with my answer. I am writing it and you also match it with your answer. The people, P-E-O-P-L-E, the people offered, O-F-F-E-R-E-D, offered gold coins, C-O-I-N-S, comma, clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, comma, animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, comma, grains, G-R-A-I-N-S, grains, vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables, and dry fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits, to the Sadhu, S-A-D-H-U, full stop. Students, all of you see here carefully. In the question, it is given offer, but when we write the answer, it becomes offered. What did the people offer to the Sadhu? There is a question mark. The people offered gold coins, comma, clothes, comma, animals, comma, grains, comma, vegetables and dry fruits to the Sadhu. We complete our sentence, so we have put a full stop. We completed our sentence, so we have put a full stop. If something is wrong in your answer, please see and correct your answer. The people offered gold coins, clothes, animals, grains, vegetables and dry fruits to the Sadhu. Question number 3. What did the Sadhu do by puja? Friends, I have found my answer. Have you? Yes. Okay, I am writing my answer. Please match it with your answer. The sadhu S-A-D-H-U, the sadhu cured, C-U-R-E-D, cured illness, I-double-L-N-E-double-S, illness by puja, P-O-O-J-A, full stop. The sadhu cured illness by puja. Students, we have learnt some new words, and in those new words you know the meaning of illness. What did the sadhu do by puja? The sadhu cured illness by puja. All of you will put a full stop. Yes, very nice. Students, I have written the sadhu cured illness by puja. If you have written the sadhu cured illness by doing puja, it is also correct. Don't change it. That is also right. Now let's see question number 4. What was the sadhu's promise to the villager 2? I will repeat. What was the sadhu's promise to the villager 2? I have found my answer, students. How many of you have found? Raise your hand. Very nice. Most of them have found the answer. Now let's match our answers. I am writing sadhu, S-A-D-H-U, sadhu, promised, P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D, promised to make the villager, V-I-double-L-A-G-E-R, villager 2, rich, R-I-C-H, full stop. What was the sadhu's promise to the villager 2? Sadhu promised to make the villager 2 rich. Students, pay attention. Promise word in the question becomes promised when we are writing the answer. And my dear friends, don't forget to put the full stop when you complete the sentence. Now we will see question number 5. Who plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard? I have found my answer. I am going to write it. You match it with your answer which you have written. Raman, R-A-M-A-N, Raman plucked, P-L-U-C-K-E-D, Raman plucked the first, F-I-R-S-T, T. First, hair, H-A-I-R. First, hair from the sadhu's beard. B E A R D. Beard. We will put a full stop. Raman plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard. Students, now you know the meaning of plucked and beard. We have already learnt the meaning of these words while learning the new words. I will repeat. Who plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard? Raman plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard. If something is wrong in your answer, please correct it. Dear students, now we will see the question number 6. This is the last question of your exercise. What should we do to become rich, or get a job, or remain always healthy? My answer is ready. I am writing it. You also match it with your answer. We should work hard to become rich. R I C H. We should work hard to become rich. Dear students, read the question again. What should we do to become rich, or get a job, or remain always healthy? Students, pay attention. I have written we should work hard to become rich. You can also write we should study hard to get a job. You can also write we should eat good food to remain always healthy. So if you have written answer about getting job or remaining always healthy, then it is also right. Dear students, we have finished the writing of the answers of all the questions. I will read it again. Pay attention carefully. It will help you to learn the answers easily. Question number 1. Where did the king's ministers go? The king's ministers went to Sadhu's camp. Question number 2. What did the people offer to the Sadhu? The people offered gold coins, clothes, animals, grains, vegetables and dry fruits to the Sadhu. Question number 3. What did the sadhu do by puja? The sadhu cured illness by puja. Question number 4. What was the sadhu's promise to the villager too? Sadhu promised to make the villager too rich. Question number 5. Who plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard? Raman plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard. Question number 6. What should we do to become rich, get a job, remain always healthy? We should work hard to become rich. We can also write, we should study hard to get a job. We can also write, we should eat good food to remain always healthy. Clear, students? Very good. Dear students, we have finished activity 2C nicely. How many of you have written correct answers? Very nice. I can see many hands. Good. Those whose answers were bit wrong, don't be disappointed. See it from your friend and write it again. ને મને WhatsApp કરવાનું ભૂલતા નહીં બાળ મિત્રો. In the first class, I have asked you to do a drawing on page number 3. મને બહુ જ ઓછા ડ્રોઈંગ વોટ્સએપમાં મળ્યા છે. I am waiting. તમારી પાસે ડ્રોઈંગ બની ગયું હોય તો ચોક્કસ અમને વોટ્સએપ કરો. અમને જોવાની ખૂબ જ મજા પડશે. We will meet again. Till then, આવજો. ટાટા.